Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change bottom page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select File option, and here you will find this page setup option. Select here. Now select here. I'll choose hold document. Now you will find this bottom margin option. I'll make it 1.5 and simply select OK. And see this. All of these pages bottom margin now says. Now it says a specific page margin. Select your page. Now select file option, page setup. I'll increase it 3. Now select OK and see this. Page margin now says. And see this. Also it says this page margin bottom, file option, page setup. I'll make it 2.5. Now select OK and see this. In this you can change all of these pages or specific pages margin you can change. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.